I'll teach you slangs versus professional English. So generally you see that people use slangs, but in professional English they have the another meaning. So without further ado, let's start. Freak out, it means panic. Don't freak out, it means don't panic. Goof off, waste time. Hang out, let's hang out. It means to spend time together. They are hooked on. It means extremely interested in each other. The couple is hooked on, is they are interested in each other. Nailed it. It means you have performed exceptionally well. In the show, you really nailed it to perform exceptionally well. No big deal. It means not very important, not significant. Pull it off. It means to succeed. I know you can pull it off through this tough situation, which means you can succeed in this situation. Screw up means to make a mistake. Show off, behave arrogantly. Sketchy, suspicious. Smash it, it means to perform brilliantly. Soaked, I'm completely soaked, means completely wet. Let's take off, it means depart. Trash talk, to talk disrespectfully. Worn out, extremely tired. Zone out, to lose concentration. Crash at my place, which means to stay at my place. Cut it out, which means please stop. Jai Hind.